Hey everybody, it's David. Welcome back to the channel. I have for you an unboxing of a figure that I received from Big Bad Toy Store today. It's one that I pre-ordered from NECA, and it's from a franchise that, oddly enough, I don't have anything in my collection from this film series. I'm talking about the 12-inch Billy the Puppet from Saw. It is a cool piece. I'm glad I have it. I've always thought that Billy kind of looked like he could be the offspring of Billy the Puppet from Deadly Silence and Madam from the 80s TV show. But let's get him out of the box and have a closer look, shall we? All right, so here we have Billy on his tricycle. If you are an out-of-box collector, just be forewarned that I basically had to destroy the box to get the tricycle out of the plastic. The plastic was glued down and there was no other way around it but to just tear the backdrop that's inside the box. So, just heads up. Anyways, the trike came in 3 pieces. You had the back 2 wheels, the frame, and then the handlebars. Easy to assemble, and then Billy just came right out of the box, no problem. Very little articulation to Billy. I mean, you can move the hand and stuff to adjust it to get him to slide onto the handlebars. His head does turn. Mouth doesn't move or anything. He does have sound, which I didn't realize it when I ordered it, but he has some phrases. Some of the phrases are harder to understand, but yeah, he's a pretty cool piece. I'm happy to have him. The trike does roll, in case you're wondering. But yeah, lots of great detail on this figure. Let me get closer. I really like how the shoes have kind of like a sparkle to them. Paint job looks really nice. Details in the face look good. Yeah, overall, a very cool piece from NECA. Yeah, so there you have it, folks. That is Billy the Puppet from Saw. Let me know if you would like to see some more of these kind of unboxings. I have another one to unbox possibly tomorrow. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you all are doing well. Until next time, take care. Thanks. I just want to shoot a video, Rhea. Do you mind? Must you be in all my videos? Huh?